as we have already started the chapter 4, we have discussed in our previous class, I have already told you what is an operating system. An operating system is that system which controls all the activities of a computer or which can do all the jobs of a computer. That is known as an operating system. Then we have discussed desktop. When we open a computer, the first screen will open, that is your desktop. When we switch on a computer, the first screen, okay, that is your desktop. coming. Okay, so see, there is a written here Intel, this PC network. Okay, so many things are written at DA and name is written on it. So now I will want to change. Suppose when you register is the best example. And in this register, all the things are given by alphabetical. Now suppose all the names are from A, then B, then C. So I want every icons will come by the name. Okay. So how we will arrange? Same way. We have to right click. Okay. And there is the option of sort by. So sort by name. I want to sort by it name. So just click on name. See here this PC is first icon and you can see network is second one. Now after this it will be changed. Okay. Now click on name. So you have to go on view and then choose sort by and click on name. Now see, it has changed now. Earlier it was came here PC. Now it has came X, Y, Z, HTML. Now it has arranged by the name. Okay. Earlier there was a, if you remember, before few seconds there was a PC, there was a network. But now I have arranged by their names in the alphabetical way by the short. See how I have done. I will show you again. Click view, there view, we have changed it. Okay, auto arrange icons, now sort by name. If you will, so now again PC has came now, this PC. Okay, now again I am going to show you how I have changed sort by. Now click on name. Now see again it has changed, so you understand how to sort by the name. Means you are arranging by alphabetically, like your attendance lists are arranged by the alphabetical way. Clear? And same way you arrange all the icons. So we have discussed here two different topics and their practicals also. I will show you how you can apply to your at your home by laptop or anything. Right click, okay, choose view and auto arrange icon and right click and then view just before after view sort by name. So these all will be changed. You just observe the changes or not. You understand now how the screen names are changed after choosing the short option. Clear? Now I am going to the next topic is your mouse pointer shape. Okay, for this I have to choose personalize. See, right click, choose personalize and there is a change mouse pointer. I will show you different types of mouse here. This is a normal. See, this is normally coming up. Normally this arrow is coming. You can see in your book also normally this arrow is coming always. This arrow is always coming. This like this. Okay. This is the normal position. Now see help select. If you want to help select, it will become like this. Arrow plus this question mark. For help select. Okay. Now see I have chosen this, so this will be changed. Okay. Now just see this one working in background. If suppose this arrow will come, this type mouse pointer will come, so it means it is working in the background. The work has not completed, it is working in the background. Okay, this we are discussing here some mouse different pointers, mouse pointers. So this is normal, this is help select, this is working in background. Okay, now this one show you if suppose this is coming, it means this is busy. Computer is working. Computer is busy. Okay. So next move to the so many are given, but whatever given in your syllabus that I am only describing you. See, it is I-beam. It is also given in your book. It is used to type the text. Okay. It is used to type the text. Whenever you are typing anything, your mouse pointer will come like this, like I. So this is your I-beam. Okay. So many other icons are given. See, this is your double-headed arrow. This is your double-headed arrow. Okay, double-headed arrow for resizing, for changing the picture. When we have to change the picture, we are using this type of mouse pointer. Okay.